So first you want to get the color of the hair and use the bucket tool to fill in the hair, like this. Then you want to add a layer and clip it to the layer you did the hair on. Then change the new layer to add. And keeping the hair color, use the airbrush. Now color the hair like this. I personally like to get rid of the bits on the back hair, but this is optional. Now add another layer and clip it. Then use the fade brush. Get the hair color, then make it a bit darker. Turn on force fade and use settings like these. Then do streaks like these near the outlines of the hair, also the ears if your OC has them. Then add another layer and change it to add. And use the hard dip pen tool. Make sure you're using the hair color. And do streaks like these. It should look something like this. And if your OC has a tail, do the same thing but on the tail, but make the streaks look more like fur. Here's how I did the fur if you need help on the fur. That's the hair complete. Now we move on to the eyes. Now add a new layer. Select the eyes with the magic wand tool. Go on to the new layer. Get a dark maroon color and use the fade tool. Now completely color in the eyes. Now put the layer opacity to about 60% and add a new layer. Now use a dark blue color and color the top of the eyes. Change the layer opacity to about 60 to 70%. Get the eye color. Add a new layer and change it to add. Use the fade tool and add a streak at the bottom of the eye, and then add a semicircle to the top of the streak. Now for the highlights, you can do whatever you want for the highlights. Here's the finished result. How did you do? That's it. Hope you enjoyed.